My name is Denise and welcome to Denise's Custom. Today we are going to be doing using this DTF film that I got from A-Sub. This is the first time me using this right here, so I hope you stick around and see how it goes. But if you're a new subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, and I'll be right back. Since I already got that, let me pull it up a little bit. Since I already got that installed and that this sheet right here, I'm gonna save this right here because I will use this. I am not throwing this away. I'm gonna go ahead and print an image and let's see how it turns out. Okay. I don't know if this A-Sub right here is going to be a hot peel or a cold peel, so we will find out. If it doesn't come off right away, it's not a hot peel. No, it's a cool peel. So I'm gonna have to wait for a minute until it cools off. Okay guys, it's a cool peel. So it has cooled off now. So we can go ahead and just peel it off. We'll try to peel it off with one hand. Hold on. Okay. Everything looks good. It's bright. Let me go ahead and press it one more time. Okay, guys, this is the finished product. The A-Sub sublimation, well, the A-Sub DTF film. It works pretty good. The colors are vibrant, and I give it A+. Okay, I'll talk to y'all later. Make sure y'all hit the like, subscribe, and make a comment and a notification bell. Peace.